In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete embedded content in HubSpot dashboard. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go and what to click so you can quickly clean up a dashboard that has outdated or unnecessary embedded items, like iframes or external pages. Start by opening your web browser and heading to Google. Type HubSpot, then select the official HubSpot website in the search results. This is simply the quickest way to get to the login page if you don't have it bookmarked. Sign in to your account as you normally would. If you have access to multiple accounts or workspaces, make sure you're in the correct portal before moving on. You may need the right permissions to edit dashboards, so if you don't see certain options later, check with your admin. Once you're signed in, bring your mouse over to the left sidebar and look for the section labeled Reporting or Reports, depending on your version. This is where HubSpot groups its analytics and dashboards. Click into it and then choose Dashboards. That will open the list or view of dashboards you can access. With your dashboard open, scroll through until you find the embedded content you want to remove. Embedded content typically appears as a tile that loads an external page or custom code. Take a moment to confirm you're looking at the correct tile, especially if your layout has several similar widgets. When you found the right one, move your cursor to that tile and click the three dots, often called the More Actions or Overflow menu. This menu is where HubSpot keeps options specific to that widget. From the menu that appears, click Delete. This action prepares the tile for removal. It's important to note that deleting the embedded content from the dashboard removes only the tile itself. It does not delete your underlying HubSpot data or the external source you originally embedded. A confirmation prompt will appear to make sure you want to proceed. Click Delete Embedded Content to confirm. This final confirmation removes the tile from the dashboard. If you change your mind later, you can always add a new embedded content tile again, but this specific one will be gone once you confirm. After confirming, give the page a moment to update. The embedded content should disappear from the layout right away. If it doesn't, refresh the page to see the clean, updated dashboard. That's all there is to it. Simple, fast, and a great way to keep your dashboard focused on what matters most.